Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make artificial snow. So first you need some baking powder. This is the main ingredient. And Fevicol, some oil, a bowl, and a spoon for mixing and one for measuring. So first take bowl and spoon and 2 spoons of baking powder. So now add 1 spoon of oil into the bowl and 1 spoon of glue. And again add 1 spoon of glue. So now mix it. You can use hand to mix it. So after mixing for some time, it is like this. Now store in a container. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications whenever I post a video. See you in my next video.